Using tags, you can create segments of your subscriber list and then deliver content just to those particular segments. Now, you can tag subscribers a number of different ways. For example, if you have a buy button on your landing page, you can tag people who purchase through that button. Or let's say you have a landing page and you have a sign-up form, you can tag any subscriber who's signing up via that particular form. You can also tag people manually in your subscribers page. Or even use the bulk tag tool to add tags to multiple subscribers. You can also tag subscribers who are on an automated campaign. Anywhere in that campaign, a tag can be applied. Now, once you have those tags, you can then search by those tags on the subscribers page. And from that search, come up with the segment of your list. Now it's just a matter of giving that segment a name. And when you go to send your next broadcast newsletter, you can send it just to that particular segment.